Hello everybody, this is Nora, and this video that I have for you today was actually requested by the Aussie family. She requested that I will do what she wanted to, hoping to see the floral manis that I did for Beauty BigBangs using their plates. I unfortunately did not do videos for all the designs, but I told her if there was one in particular that she was more interested in see than the others, that I'll be more than happy to recreate for her. And so that's what this is right here. And I'd like to thank the Aussie family for being a viewer and a subscriber. I hope the rest of you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.